Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create a 3D model for exercise number 7. First we can create new part. The next I will click tools, go to document settings, and we can set units into millimeter. Click OK. Click 3D models and click start to sketch. I will choose at this plane, XY plane. The next we can create circle. Start from this point and we can move to the top. I will set for diameter into 48. You can use a scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. The next I will create line. Start from this point. We can move to drag here. I will set into 70. You can press enter. Now in here I will create line again. Okay, we can create from this point to the top, and I will create line from this point to the left here. You can change this line objects into construction line. So you can click here. Okay. The next I will use trim command. You can click here trims and we can cut at this points. You also can cut in here. Now in here I will use offset command. You can click here offset. You can select this object. We can offset into 5, and then we can offset into 10, and you can press enter. The next I will create line to connect between these two objects from this point into here, and then from this point into this point. Now at this point we can create line to the top and we can set into 30. Next move to the right here, I will set into 40. Now in here I will click cut at this point. Okay, you can use dimension tools to create distance from this point into here. We can set in here into 30. You can press enter. The next I will create circle. Okay, you can move from a center point in here. Click at this point and we can set for radius into 16. The last we can set fillet. In here I will set into 10 for fillet radius. Click from this point into here and then click at this point into this point. The next you can close sketch or click finish sketch. Okay, we can zoom out again. And now we can use Extrude Tools to convert these objects into 3D models. You can click here Extrude, select at this point. We can move into this direction and I will set into 60 for extrusion. And in here I will active for sketch 1. You can right click and check for visibility. We can extrude again at this face and we can set into 10. In here I will change into new solid and you can click OK. Now you can click modify, click move bodies. You can select this bodies. I will set into 0 for X axis and for Z axis we can set into 50. Next you can click OK. We can use extrusion again, click at these objects and you can click OK. Now to combine this object you can use these tools, combine, select these objects and now you can select for the other objects in here. You can click OK, so it will be automatically combined. The next you can right click in sketch 1 and uncheck for visibility. In the front here I will use a fillet command. You can click here fillet and we can set for radius into 30. The next you can select at this edge and also in here click OK. We can create 2D sketch at this face. You can create circle from this point. Okay, from a center point and we can set for diameter into 24. Press enter, finish sketch, and now use extrude command, move to the bottom here to cut and you can click OK. So it will be create all. Now we already create these simple 3D models with Inventor software for exercise number 7. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.